No college degree? No problem. Seriously. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how regular people, just like you and me, are landing high-paying jobs making over $100,000 a year without ever stepping foot in a college classroom. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick BS. This is real, legit, and it's happening right now. Let's dive in. For years, we were told that the only way to make six figures was to go to college, rack up debt, get a degree, then get a job. But guess what? Times have changed. Companies today care way more about your skills than your diploma. They want to know, can you do the job? Can you solve problems? Can you communicate? That's it. And if you can, you're in. Josh, 19 years old, dropped out of college, enrolled in an online tech sales course, landed a job as a sales development rep, and now makes $75,000 with commissions. Maria, a single mom, transitioned from retail to IT support in 3 months, and now works remote making $65,000. Devin, 21, used an online platform to learn digital marketing, got certified, and now manages ad campaigns for businesses. He cleared $100,000 last year. These aren't unicorns. They're just people who learned the right skills and got in front of the right employers. Now, here's the part most people miss. All those people, they didn't do this alone. They used a little-known platform which has a training program that helps you break into high-paying industries like tech sales, IT support, digital marketing, and even data analytics with zero experience and no degree required. It's self-paced, super affordable, and most people finish in a few weeks, not years. But the real magic? It actually connects you with companies that are looking to hire directly from the program. No cold applications, no fighting bots. Just real interviews and real offers. Let's be real, college costs are out of control. Student debt is crushing an entire generation. And if you're watching this thinking, there's got to be another way, there is. Companies are desperate for talent. If you can show up with the right training, the right mindset, and the right support system, you can absolutely get hired fast. And with roles starting at $60,000, $70,000, even $100,000 plus when bonuses and commissions are added, the opportunity is real, and it's growing. So if you're serious about skipping the debt, ditching the degree, and finally landing a high-paying job you'll actually like, check out the link in the video description. I've dropped it in the description below so you can get started with a free intro class to see if it's a fit. No pressure, no fluff, just real results. Hit that like button if this opened your eyes a bit, and drop a comment if you've got questions. I respond to everyone. Don't wait on success. Go get it.